story behind this is, it's a ex-mobility car. Pretty much every panel on it had damage. So a local body shop has bought it. They're going to use it as a courtesy car. Usual mobility car that I get in here. Interior's just been neglected. The full car's been neglected, to be honest with you. So whilst the body shop have got the panels off, getting them repaired and painted, replaced or whatever they're doing, I've been given the honour of sorting the interior out. Usual body shop car that's been in there for months. Just dust. It gets in everywhere, this stuff. But it's been a really dirty car to start with. Like so this, the seats are just filthy on it, there's dirt everywhere. Look down, that, I don't even know what that is in there, but it's grown its own culture. The carpets, oh look at that. There's a fingernail, or it might even be a toenail, I don't know. Whoever will sort that out. The carpets are absolutely filthy. In fact, the full car is just filthy. Look at that. So we've got mould or something on the back floor well. I don't know if you can even see. I don't even know what that is. That's down the side of the seat. It's absolutely revolting. So it is. Glove box broken off in true ex-mobility car fashion. Dash is all scratched to bits. I'll just need to try and clean that up. I think the body shop will be able to do something with that. Now the carpet is the main thing in this. Now there's no way I'm going to be able to clean that in the car. So basically the carpet needs to come out. The good thing about taking the carpets out is, apart from the carpets getting cleaned properly, it gives you a chance to clean all the plastics properly as well, because like so all this will need to come out, the seats will need to come out, the back quarter inner panels, they might need to come out, I don't know. Like so these kick panels will all need to come off, so they'll get cleaned, everything will get cleaned. It's just a lot easier to clean the plastics when they're out the car. So let's crack on with it. Now that the seats are out, you can get a better look at the condition of the carpet. It's just disgusting. There's been coffee getting spilt on it constantly. It's just hard. There's no fluff to the carpet at all, no tufting. It's just matted and horrible. So we'll need to try and we'll get the carpet out and try and clean it. If we can't clean it, we'll need to replace it. Hopefully it's okay. that's another one done. Another really dirty one. Wouldn't think that pretty much the full interior had been out of it. Remember the dirty seats? They've dried in pretty much perfect. The carpets have cleaned up really nice. The dashboard at this side at least clean. All of this horrible stuff down here, it's looking a lot better now. There's a man going to fix this week, this in the door. So it's going away to get that done. No, that won't be me, but it's looking good. Another one you would never know the condition it was in when it came in. It's looking really nice. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.